how to set up a DIY coffee or hot cocoa station or just a drink station in general in your home. So I've started already with the faux snow here on the counter. A little tiny Christmas tree was too short, I think. So I added just a little small vase to elevate it just a little bit. So I've already started with that. I have the snow. Next, I'm going to add your choices of hot cocoa. I have the milk chocolate there. That's one option. The second option is the hot cocoa that already has the marshmallows included. All right, next what I want to add is the coffee creamers. Just to add some flavor to your hot cocoa, you have the hazelnut here. And then we also have the French vanilla as your two choices. Okay, inside of our canister here, we have tiny little marshmallows that you can add to your hot cocoa once you have prepared it. Okay, I'm going to add just a little serving tray here for the mugs. And of course, you can set these up however you choose. And it's nothing difficult at all. You're just, setting up the necessities that you would need at your drink station. And being a little creative with that. Okay, next I have a cute little sign that I found, I think from TJ Maxx last year. It says, "Baby, it's cold outside." Because we know this time of year, when it gets cold, we want to drink a lot of warm and hot beverages. Okay, in this little container here, I've just added some paper straws of different colors. I have red and white stripe, silver and white stripe, then there's solid red and solid silver. Can't forget a little chocolate. You have the Hershey's Kisses here. Okay, and next you have your candy canes that you can also add to your beverage once it's done. You can use it as a stir. It can add mint flavor to your chocolate. That's really good. And I also have just a little container of premium butter cookies. Who doesn't like cookies with their hot cocoa? I know we do. Okay, and then also you can squeeze in some napkins here. And this is pretty much it. Of course, you can set up your beverage station however you like. My little hot cocoa station is actually just in a corner of my kitchen, out of the way. So it's small, but it meets its purpose. And that's pretty much it. All right, family. I hope everyone is enjoying their Sunday. I'm looking forward to the holidays, spend time with family and friends. There'll be more videos to come. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.